just walking through the building right back out. Even. Right. Yeah. All right, you.
All right. Almost done.
Air's working a little bit in here.
Alright guys, that $10 card game went. We're gonna pull that. Bill's walking up. He won't go as far as jumps, I guarantee it. The next gun's gonna be a Kel-Tec Sub 2K Red Dot Scope 9mm, $20. All the sodas and water by the beer truck. All the sodas and water by the beer truck. Keep a lot of fluids in you guys. Top. All right, $10 card game. Looking for the King of Diamonds. King of Diamonds.
How you doing?
Good.
Everybody good?
To design it.
10 seconds.
Cool.
You made it. All right, then next one's the Kel-Tec 9mm rifle, $20 card game.
The beach. I mean, not to say I was tired.
Well, I like the way you hold that gun. I recognize that sweet ass from all the way across the yard.
1 for
50 cal?
5 or 5 for 20?
5 for 20. No.
What?
I'm only holding 7 more tickets, so
Yeah, I know, right? He wants 5.
I just came over to say hi.
Oh, okay. He's not done yet. That's not Russian yet, boy.
It's like the 100-yard range way up there. Yeah, and then the ranges all used to be down the side like that. That's what we put all the new benches in now. Somebody's got a little target there.
But I would be fine shooting 120.
I do a lot of archery down in the front door.
You don't forget we got those
I should have never let my membership expire. Because now they want like $100. So it's just for the first year anyway. But I don't think they're even taking any members, so. I wouldn't know why it wouldn't be. One guy I expect to see anybody's fucking name today.
Oh, yeah.
You tried